I am G. A. Narayan, Chairman, Sukhi Homes, and we are taking this video on 3rd October 2014 at my office. We are running an old age home called as Sukhi Homes. More than old age home, it is called as a retirement home. We have around 63 elders. I look after them so nicely and they are all very happy and they are spending their old age time in a very happy days. We celebrate all the functions in Sukhi Homes right from the New Year day, Pongal, Navaratri, Vijayadashami, Deepavali and any other functions. We celebrate everything in a very grand way and give them a very nice food to keep them very happy. I introduce my manager, Mrs. Chandra. She is with me from the day one and she is doing a wonderful job in my office. She takes care of my accounts, administration and all other office related matters. She has an assistant, Miss Ashwini. I think today she's on leave and we are doing a wonderful job in Sukhi Home. Thank you, sir. This is Sukhi Homes first house where Mr. and Mrs. K. Narasimhan is staying. This is the where you see the Sukhi Homes. Now I am taking you to the campus. This is the pathway, fully concrete road, and we are entering into the Sukhi Homes main gate. This is the pathway for our members, and this is our temple, Vinayagar temple. This is the pathway, so people can walk in this. People can walk in this during the sun, rain, everywhere. I'll show you the panoramic view of Sukhi Homes now. This is the runway for cars to come and go. And this is the building of our Sukhi Homes where there are 36 flats, ground, first and second. And all the flats have been occupied by the elders. And this is the panoramic view of Sukhi Homes. At the end of the building, we have a bhajan hall. I will take you there also. We have a Kone lift, especially for members. So this is an 8-passenger lift where people can travel. It's one of the best Kone lift we have installed. People can travel to first and second floor so that they will not have any problem in getting down and getting up. So I'm just showing you the lift of Kone. We have a in-house tiler. We have 2 tilers in our Sukhi Homes. So anything to be stitched for our members, that will be done here in a minute. And similarly, we have a ironing table also. So they do the ironing table and we do all ironing jobs to all our members. So it's a total solution for Sukhi Homes who stays for elders. Thank you. We have a powerful UPS, 2 powerful UPS fitted with 2 batteries each. And one will take care of the pathway lighting and one will take care of the kitchen in case of any power failure, so that the Sukhi Home will always be bright even if the power goes. I have taken a lot of care in power problems. Thank you. Grace of Baba King. That is how the Sukhi Home starts. This is our Kirloskar generator, 35 kVA. We use this in case of emergency loss, emergency shutdown of power to run our kitchen, our lift and all pathway of our Sukhi Homes. So this has been serving for us for almost 7 years. It's been a very good service. I am just showing you the Sukhi Homes dining hall. At a time, we can accommodate around 70 members in this dining hall. The time now is 11:10, and by 12:45, the entire members of our Sukhi homes will come and take their places for the lunch. I'll show you the things are coming into the serving table. This is what you see is the Sukhi homes dining hall, and we have timings for lunch, breakfast and dinner. I will show you the timings. This is our timings of Sukhi homes. Breakfast 8:45 to 9:15, lunch 12:45 to 1:15, dinner 6:45 to 7:15, and this is a music system we have so that we play all bhajans.